But real quick, I have to take a moment to thank today's sponsor. Even though both of my Lexuses are broken, something that does still work, and it is a Lexus, believe it or not, is my brother's Lexus ES330. And today, he has received some Coverado seat covers. Let's open these bad boys up and see what they have sent us. I will be the first one to tell you, I'm not a fan of seat covers, but these are really, really nice. Check this out. This feels like some Alcantara and leather right here. Something that is really impressive about his Lexus is the seats have actually held up. 2005 is when it was made, and these seats are pristine. We're gonna keep these nice and beautiful with these seat covers. What I'm gonna do is install the driver's side real quick. It should not take me long because they have an incredible instruction pamphlet, so then I can show you how to do the other side. As I install the driver's side seat cover, I'm so excited to show you the Coverado website. As we move up to the top, we can find the car selection. They have a wide variety of cars here that you can select to pick your seat covers for. We're gonna put the Lexus ES330 in the finder right here and look at all the results that are displayed. This is absolutely incredible. We have color patterns on different designs on different designs. The possibilities to find a seat cover that you find stylish, comfortable, and enjoy are genuinely endless. Okay, call me crazy, but that actually looks really, really nice. Let me show you how to install these on the passenger side seat and just how easy it is too. This took me right about 5 minutes to install. First thing we're gonna do is pop off the headrest. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our seat backing. This is piece 1 of 3. We have these little tiny plastic black circular clips. What we're gonna be doing is installing them up and around these loops like so. We're gonna slide it through on one side, flip it around on the other. We're gonna do one on each of the 3 straps. There are all 3 installed, should be hanging down just like that. Now we're just gonna hop into the back seat, throw it over the front seat like this, and slide it all the way down. Super simple. Next task, we're gonna be taking these 3 clips that we got and sticking them through the bottom of the seat so we can find them coming out on the other side. Here we're gonna take the strap that's on the back side of the seat and thread it through the plastic clip like we did for the front straps. This is gonna hold the seat cover down. Next thing we got is the actual seat cover itself. This is what goes right here. The process for installation starts off the same. We have these clips right here that need to be threaded through the bottom of the seat. Once you have those threaded through, you're gonna find that you have 2 straps, one on each side. You got one here, and you also have one here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap these around the seat and buckle them in on the back. I have the one clip in my hand right here, and we're just gonna reach through, grab the other, buckle it in, simple as that. We're gonna get the other one real quick here too. Goes in just like that. There we have it. And the last part of getting these Coverado seats installed is we're gonna be using these little hooks that are provided in conjunction with these 2 straps that you see sticking out front. We're just gonna slide these hooks right on by opening them up. Make sure they go on the right way. You want them facing down. There we have it. Both of them are on. All we're gonna do is reach down underneath and find a spot for them to clip onto, straighten out the seat cover, and we are set. Beautiful. And the final thing that needs to be complete before everything is finished is the headrest. We're just gonna slide it on. You can also do this while it's in the car, but I think it's a little bit easier to do while it is out. And then you have this Velcro piece that you just feed right through underneath, lay it down, and it sticks just like that. Put the headrest in now. There we have it. Coverado seat covers looking absolutely incredible. Definitely added a nice touch of style and preservation to my brother's ES330. But a massive thank you again to Coverado for sponsoring this video, sending these seat covers out, making my brother's interior look that much better, and giving you guys the opportunity to get 10% off this incredible product. Go check it out. Link in the description below, code YACHTLS.